This cat is the mayor of a neighborhood in Brazil. All the dogs in the area have to answer to him. This orange tabby took over the streets and now he's running the place. Look at this guy strutting his stuff. He even has a little entourage of cats that follow him around. The funny thing is, even though he's a cat, all the dogs in the neighborhood respect him and they all get along. The mayor's name is Meow. He's a big fan of belly rubs and head scratches, and if you give him a treat, he'll rub up against your leg and purr like a motorboat. But don't get on the wrong side of Mayor Meow. If you try to pet him and he doesn't like it, he will bite you. Just ask this guy. He got bit twice. If you live in this neighborhood and you have a dog, you better train that dog well, because if not, the cat will bite them too. And we all know how embarrassing that is. You're a dog and you get owned by a cat. That's like being a Chihuahua and getting owned by a hairless cat. It's just humiliating.